You know, some people cook in a kitchen. Not me. I'm like, slap on some snowshoes, take me in the mountains to make some pasta.
You made it.
Woo! We're in the snow. My wife's on her second snowshoeing adventure ever.
It's my snow sport. I just tapped myself in the foot with this. That's all right. We're in nature. It's our first installment of snowshoe cooking on Josh's camp stove. We're in my husband's fancy circus tent. We got like 6 clowns stored in the back, so that's handy because you just never know. We hiked probably like what, 72 miles, 94, 8,000? Get the MSR pocket rocket because I know the terms because I'm outdoorsy. This is the part where we figure out if the snow table that my husband built, which is awesome, will set the tent on fire. If the clowns start screaming, there's a problem. We're outdoors today making some baking with Josh and Ange's one-pot orecchiette with chicken sausage, fennel, and asparagus.
Say that 5 times fast. Okay. All right, what needs to happen, wifey?
We need to heat up 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm having the recipe to fit in our camp stove. I pre-measured our ingredients.
I appreciate that you did that.
Thank you. And there's just a little bit of white wine leaking out, but it smells really good.
That smells good.
And we can enjoy. It's white wine vinegar, so we're in wine country here. So I don't know if that's what the like wine connoisseurs
Yeah, I think so.
drink. Then we're gonna add our chicken sausage. I combined my fennel, which I really used celery because baking with Josh and Ange, I couldn't find fennel at the grocery store. I'm sorry.
Not a real thing. Should I heat this up?
Yeah.
Something you want to consider is that your flame does not touch this because these are not flame retardant. It'll melt or catch on fire, so.
Then we're gonna add the garlic.
Oh, hungry.
Yeah, get it. Get that fake fennel. Where'd my black pepper go? Where's my dry ingredients? It's a baggie of pepper. I found my baggie of pepper. I'm putting in chicken broth.
Oh, can you hear that? That'll bring it to a boil in a minute here. Tent's not on fire.
Good news, if your tent does catch on fire, you've got snow to put the fire out.
Man, cooking outdoors is intense, you guys.
And capers.
Are capers a spice? What's a caper?
I don't know what a caper is, but it was in the pickle aisle. It's like a little pickle bean. Oh, I didn't put a graphic on the screen. I can't get close enough. Oh, it's
nice
black
graphic.
And white because we're in the snow.
Oh,
It is so beautiful and majestic. It's like Narnia and the snow levels of Mario World.
yeah.
Rolled into one. I have to say that every Baking with Josh and Ange dish that we've made on the Pocket Rocket outdoors has been phenomenal. I got new boots from Eddie Bauer.
Yeah, she got snowshoeing boots. Waterproof, baby. Insulated.
Like it to know it or whatever. I don't know what that is. But if you want to shop my outfit, REI, the big box store
Outlet.
$6.99. The Helix red and gray ski jacket from the ski store that
1994.
1994. The Alderwood Mall. And then my precision mountain wear black pants from the same 1994 ski store that is probably no longer in existence. How do we shop your outfit? Some people on the internet do now.
Okay.
Swipe up to shop our outfits.
You're gonna want to get the Manzella liner gloves with the touchscreen middle finger. Got the Arc'teryx Cerium LT at the outlets the other day. Some mountain hardware pants, some La Sportiva Makalu mountaineering boots, and some Atlas snowshoes.
Swipe up. I don't know. That's what the influencers say.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Swipe up. I'm gonna let this cool. I'm cooling my Orecchiette day on the stove. I saw this on Bear Grylls once. He was running wild with the Jonas brother.
Yeah, I'm sure you watched that.
I like it for the outdoor
I don't remember
knowledge.
seeing that one.
We're going off the grid of the recipe for a moment by adding a little bit of water to help our noodles cook in the wilderness. Speaking with Josh and Ange, you're officially invited on our next winter snowshoe extravaganza cooking in a circus tent. That hashtag ratatatatatatatatatat. Because Josh is from Colorado and Ange loves the cold.
Oh yeah?
From what I
Like you?
understand. Yeah,
Love
like
the cold?
me. Pre-chilled my utensils back with the clowns. Dish it up and eat it.
Let me get that out of the snow. Ah!
Oh, no.
I'll pick that up later. Oh, icy and yummy. Oh yeah.
That is so yummy.
Oh man.
This is like eating at a fancy Italian restaurant inside of a circus tent. Thanks for
That's awesome.
watching our first 2020 outdoor cooking segment, swipe up for the recipe. Just kidding. Go to bakingwithjoshandange.com.